So once again, hello guys, and welcome back to our course about starting a clothing brand. So congratulations, you just completed all the classes of this course. Right now, you should be able to create your own clothing store, create your own clothes, uh, be able to make all the basics about marketing, create your affiliate program. Uh, you have, you know how works Shopify a little bit, and you have all the introduction to the business world, so you'll be able to create a good business plan to start your business. So right now, it's time for you guys to choose the right Shopify membership because you have your store, and if you want to continue running it, you need to have a valid Shopify account. So you will have to choose between those three. So when you start, I definitely suggest you to start with this one here. So it's gonna cost you $29 per month having Shopify in your store active, and that's the only cost, which is really amazing. What I think is really amazing because you only pay $29 instead of paying a rent, paying a storage, having all your clothes here, and hoping to make a single sale, which right now will only cost you $29 and give you access to plenty of things in a 24/7 support. When your business starts to scale, you can maybe go for the 79 or the $300 per month, but honestly, the only difference will be here. So it will be the price per transaction, because when you take the first the this when you take the $29 per month, it's gonna cost you 2.9% per transaction. But if you go for the 300 per month, it's gonna cost you 2.4%. So if, for example, you start making thousands and thousands of sales per day, well, maybe it's worth it to go with the $300 per month because you're gonna make you definitely will save a lot of money just with the transaction fees. But for now, I definitely suggest you to just start with the basic Shopify plan, which will be a really great thing for you, and it's not a lot to start a business. Finally, guys, to I'm happy that I have been your teacher for this course. Um, and I plan to do plenty of other courses in the future. So if you guys like this course, simply give me a review. If you are interested in more courses or interested in other informations, you can just click on the links that I have on Udemy. It will take you to my YouTube channel. I post Shopify videos there also, as well, Shopify and other e-commerce videos. And I plan to do a lot of other courses about Shopify and other programs that are on computer. And once again, I was very happy to help you out with this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write me. I usually answer quickly. It's gonna take maybe 6 to 12 hours to answer you, so answer pretty quickly. And yeah, so good luck with everything, guys. You have all the knowledge that you need to succeed in this field. It's just a question of practice, finding the perfect niche for you, finding your right audience, and start selling your product. So thanks again, guys, and see you in another of my courses.